working yourself to the bone. It's killing you, isn't it? Sitting at your computer for 12 hours a day, not seeing your family. Enough of putting up with this. SigTrend is your chance to become free. In this video, you'll find out how this bot makes money for you and how you can finally take real control of your life. By the way, I have a Telegram channel where I show all the trades SigTrend makes. Want to see how it works from the inside? Then follow the link in the description. Enter trades based on those same signals it gives us. It helps us analyze using artificial intelligence. To do this, we click the Launch Bot button to get the signals. We select OTC, then choose the currency pair we need, set the expiration time to 1 minute, the signal is generated, analyzed, and then tells us whether to buy. Let's just test it together with $1, a small amount. Just to show you how this bot works, it shows the signal and analyzes the market based on artificial intelligence. I used to spend a lot of time myself on charts, trying to calculate everything. But here, I get a ready-made solution in just a second. Well, maybe not exactly a second. Of course, it analyzes and compares the charts. You can see on the right which charts it uses for analysis and how it gives us the signal. It also gives us a picture here and tells us to buy. So, we went in for a buy. And now we just need to wait for the expiration time until the signal plays out. It's impossible to look at and analyze everything this quickly. Right now, we're just checking how it works, simply by getting the signal. For now, it's working absolutely free of charge. There's a link to it in the description, so make sure to check it out. We have literally a few seconds left, and that's it. Everything went up, of course. The bot analyzed it. Well, $2 isn't really much, so let's go for a bigger trade. Let's go with $50 or more and switch to another currency pair to check a different signal. We click the button to get the signal. This is also on TICE, so we select TICE and choose the currency pair we need. The expiration time is set to 1 minute, the signal is generated and analyzed quickly, and now we're going to enter a $50 sell trade. Also for 1 minute, here we have the timer, and as you can see, the candle immediately started moving down. As we can see, we immediately bounced off a certain level. Artificial intelligence and the bot calculated all of this. Now all we have to do is wait 40 seconds, and that's it. The bot sees things that we simply don't notice with our eyes or don't have time to catch. These are trends, market sentiment, support and resistance levels. Things that, frankly, aren't even visible on my chart unless I set up the right indicators. A person, a trader, just can't do it that fast. They can't calculate all of this. I used to spend hours on things like this, and now artificial intelligence does it all. Literally in just a couple of clicks. It analyzes specific levels. All of this, as you can see, is also displayed in the bot. And now we just have to wait 1 second. We're going down. Great. Plus $97. But of course, that's not much. We're going to keep going. Many people lack discipline. SigTrend provides it. In our community, you'll find a ready-made plan to get started. Let's go in now with $97 because I trust the bot. We need to get a new signal. Let's pick a different currency pair and select it here in OTC. We'll also enter the needed currency pair for 1 minute, but this time with $97. Now we need to find it here. Click through. Everything's lagging a little for me. Let's go back. Let's just try to scroll through. Yeah, back. Great, and here we need to find the currency pair for 1 minute. Also, the signal is being generated and scanned in TICE, and again we need to enter a sell on the chart overall. It's right here. You can even see that it's going for a sell, so we're entering for 1 minute with $97. We can also notice in the bot itself how the RS indicators match up and show the same MCT, confirming UMI, pointing to the same trend. Because of moments like these, I actually trust the bot more than my own intuition. You know, the coolest thing is that the bot is completely free. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to spend any money or pay for any subscriptions. You just follow the link in the description and use it while access is completely open. And now, let's wait for 20 seconds together. Let's wait and see how this trade closes. We can see that everything is going well. There's some support. We're not dropping sharply, but there's also resistance right at our entry point. See, we get pushed back right away. So now we just have to wait one more second, and we successfully made a profit of $188 together. All thanks to this bot. The bot basically analyzed everything for us. Let's go for $189 on the next trade and open it then. We'll get a new signal. Let's pick another currency pair. For example, the next one in our favorites that we've added. And here, we'll go into OTC and select it in our bot so it can analyze it for 1 minute. Alright, we're entering a buy position. By the way, that's already $189. We started with 50, remember. The stakes are getting more serious. I'm only doing this because the bot is giving us a strong signal. We can check the strength of the signal together. It says 83%. On the screen, you can see all the conditions that the optimal indicators in the bot itself use to confirm the trend. And you know what's most interesting? When I used to trade manually, I was always doubting whether to enter or not. But here, look at how our candle is going. It's green and huge. The bot literally told us to buy, we entered, and right after that, a huge green candle appeared. That's something traders, of course, can't predict, unlike artificial intelligence, which analyzes the entire market in seconds. Not just a single currency pair, but for this currency pair it gives us an analysis of the entire market that exists. Plus $366, and that's already an interesting and serious amount. I personally use this bot every day, and it's absolutely free. The link is in the description. Let's get to 366 together. Now, thanks to the bot, we can enter and get a new signal. But for a different currency pair, of course. Here, we'll also need to select the currency in the bot. Here it is, we have it, 1 minute, the signal is generated and tells us that we need to enter a buy position. But we notice a slight upward movement here, and we actually entered during a small dip, which strengthens our entry point. However, the dip continued a bit further. Overall, I trust it because I understand that the bot sees much more than I do myself, since artificial intelligence is. Now we all know how it creates videos. It's like they're real, and I think calculating the market is absolutely no problem for it. It fully takes into account the pressure from buyers and sellers, the levels on the chart, the volumes, everything happens in a second. I just get the signal without any extra work, which used to take traders like us a lot of time. And every time a trade closes in profit, I see for myself that the bot really works. Just a reminder, the link to it is in the description. Go ahead and use it. It's completely free and access is open to everyone. It really feels like a machine is trading for you, calculating everything in advance. Because here we have plus $710, and let's use that to enter the next option. We'll get a new signal, but this time on a different currency pair. We need to select OTC and find that specific currency pair here. Also for 1 minute, I don't go for long expirations, you can enter a sell trade. But overall, the market is all in the red anyway, so we're going for a sell on this currency pair. The coolest thing is, I realize I have a huge advantage over other traders, because a person just can't process that much information in a second, and there are no bots like this anywhere else. There are some, you know, that just create the illusion of trading, but here everything is set up really precisely. It's based on a new artificial intelligence that came out literally a month ago. I'm sure no one else has done anything like this yet, and it's only available with us. This bot only works on the Binolla website. I don't know why it's only here. We tried to add it to other platforms, but we found this new site, Binolla.com. And here it works perfectly. Just look at how it performs. 2 seconds left. 1. And we close in profit. That's already plus $1,377. Just a reminder, we started with $50. That's already quite a huge amount. Already, and I suggest we go in with $1,000 because we're doing great so far. Let's try $1,300. I don't think it'll let us do $1,300, but let's try. We'll get a new signal, a different currency pair. It seems like there's a $1,000 limit here, but we'll try anyway. Maybe it'll let us go in with $1,300. Let's get the signal first. It says to go in for a buy. And yes, 1,000 is the maximum here, so we're going in with $1,000. My page refreshed. In any case, we're going in for a buy with $1,000. We started with a $50 deposit, and pretty soon, I think we'll be withdrawing, because the amount is already pretty big. The AI signals are only linked to the site Binolla.com, so I recommend you use it. Even though the signals are free, they analyze the market specifically on this site. The site is new, apparently it's still connecting. It's easier because we couldn't connect to other sites, specifically to the market database. But here, everything works right before your eyes. You can see how the candle is moving up. We entered together, just look at the very bottom. At this moment, artificial intelligence gives us a buy signal, and the candle just keeps rising endlessly. What else can you call it if not technology? This bot is amazing, $2,000, and my balance is $2,318 from a $50 deposit. Well, let's finish with one last trade. Let's pick a new signal together and get it from the bot. I think we'll have a great video and a good ending. It's telling us to enter a buy position. Let's get in while we still can, for $1,000. Also for 1 minute. And this is the final trade for today. I want to show you how the bot handles even large amounts, analyzing the market better than any person. All the indicators, all the sentiment levels of buyers and sellers. And it calculates everything in a split second. This isn't some guessing game, it's a serious tool. So take advantage of it while the bot is free and fully functional. You can follow the link in the description to get it. I'm sure opportunities like this won't stay free for long. So I recommend joining in and testing it out right now. Right now, while you're watching this video, someone is already making money thanks to this bot. I'm also earning money thanks to this bot. And how long all of this will last, I can't say. But as long as it works, we're going to get our share. The balance is $3,250. $8. And now I'm going to make a withdrawal, because we're not just going to leave that sitting there. Let's go straight to withdrawals, and here let's choose USDT RC20. I have a crypto wallet, so I'm going to withdraw everything I managed to earn right before your eyes, $3,258 from a $50 deposit, directly to it. And that's pretty serious. That's a lot. I'll keep $3,200 and leave $58 to trade next time. That's it. I can see you're really interested in giving it a try. Look, this is how I transformed my life with the help of this bot. Want to do the same? The bot is available through the link in the description. Each of you is important to our community. Together with this IC trend, share your questions and ideas in the comments. I'm waiting. Together, we'll achieve great success. Stay in touch.